channel. So today I have a really good video for you guys today. So today we're going to make a seafood boil in the bag with Blove sauce and beer. Yes, it tastes amazing. Okay, so let's jump right into this video. What I have here is snow crab legs, corn, potatoes, shrimp that has been they are deveined but the shell is still on, sausage, 2 cups of Blove sauce, and my turkey oven bags. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by taking my oven bags out of the box. I gotta find which end is the open end. Okay. And I'm gonna add my crab legs. Pieces there. Okay, so I got my crab legs. I'm gonna add my corn. Now I'm gonna add my potatoes. I'm gonna add my sausage. And I'm gonna add my shrimp. Next, I'm just gonna take my Blove sauce here, and I am going to cover all of this seafood in this bag. Now I have added all of those ingredients. I just have a half a stick of unsalted butter. I cut up. I'm just gonna, lay over in here. And for our final ingredient, I have a can of beer. You can use any kind you want. I just use whatever I can get. So we're gonna pour half of that on that bag. It's fizzing up, which is okay. Now you're just gonna take it and give it a good toss. And just gonna tie a knot in it. And I'm gonna set that right here, and I'm just going to go on with my next one. Your bags should look something like this. I didn't tie my knot too tight because I want to be able to get into it without having to cut the bag open. But you see how, if I can, let's see if I can get a good closer look. See all that goodness in that bag? So I have my stove. I preheated at 400. My oven at 400. So I'm just gonna place it in the oven and I'm gonna allow it to cook. I have took our crab bags out of the oven. As you can see, they are deflating because they were swelled up to the top of the oven, which is okay. As long as it don't bust open and make a mess in your oven, you're okay. That's why I put a pan here, as you can see, to catch this excess juice. So we're just gonna open up our bags and check and see, is our food ready? So I have opened up our bag, so we're just gonna check our potatoes. Yeah. So our fork can go through our potatoes. So our potatoes are done. Let's see, can I find a shrimp? Pick a one. Our shrimps are good and done. Our corn is nice and juicy and tender. And our sausage is good. So now I'm just gonna check our other bag. Ooh, be careful, steam. I open up our other bag. See our shrimp, potatoes, fork go right through them. Shrimp, our crab legs, our corn is good. Sitting in that beer butter sauce. Look at that beer butter sauce down there. Yes, all that goodness. But that's it for as our beloved beer butter sauce, crab oil, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my seafood boil in a bag with beloved sauce and beer. If you do try this recipe out, comment below and let me know. Also comment below and let me know what you think about this recipe. So until the next time, until the next video, thanks for watching. Bye.